This is the living area, and yes, we have so it's a modular kitchen. So it's again very spacious. So yes, it's very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Jayashree. Today we are at Heritage Park by the builder Suraksha, which is located at Begur Kopa Road. Before we get to know a lot about this project, let's understand what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform which connects home buyers directly to the builders, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listings, where once you go for an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers and you end up with a lot of unwanted calls. Housey is one such platform where the listing is done directly by the builders. So hurry up, go and book your dream home directly with the developers through Housey. Talking about the project overview, the entire project is built on a land parcel of 2.5 acres with the 2 towers, and the available stories are ground plus 12 floors, and the available variants are 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity, so yes, we have Singsandra metro station just 3 kilometers away, Kanakpura is just 4 kilometers away, Komangla is 20 minutes away from this place, and top colleges and hospitals are just 20 minutes away from this project, and most importantly, Osu Road is just 10 minutes away from this project. And talking about the amenities, so this project has 30 plus amenities such as a gymnasium, kids play area, swimming pool, clubhouse, party house, and then you can see we have a super garden over here for walking purpose, and many more such amenities are available. Right now we are in front of 3 BHK flat called Heritage Park by Suraksha Builders. So let's get inside. So as you walk inside, you can see there's a storage space for your shoes and slippers, and as you come further, this is the living area, and yes, we have sofa over here on my right side, and on the left side we have the television unit. So you can look at the interiors, it's really amazing. So this is a 3 BHK flat, and as you come even more further, you can see the dining area over here, a very huge dining area, and here we have the balcony, which is again very spacious and very huge, so you can customize it the way you want and you can spend your leisure time over here. So this balcony is given by a sliding door, a French sliding door, and this side on my left we have the kitchen. So it's a modular kitchen, so it's again very spacious, and also we have a window for ventilation. So yes, truly very spacious kitchen. And in this 3 BHK flat, it's time to look at the common bathroom. So this is the common bathroom in the flat. So yes, we have the anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipments, and also a window for ventilation. And it's time to look at the first bedroom in this flat. So this is the first bedroom. So yes, it's very spacious. On this side, on the left side, we have windows for ventilation, and this is the wardrobe. And this is the attached bathroom in this room. So again, this bathroom comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary equipment, and we have window for ventilation, and also we have this mirror and also a storage space. Actually, this comes with a mirror and storage space. And now it's time to look at the second bedroom in this flat. So this is the second bedroom. So again, it's very spacious. So you can see this is the bed, and on the right side of the bed there is some space for your table, and here we have window for ventilation, and here is the wardrobe for this bedroom. So yes, the interiors are really good. And we saw 2 bedrooms in this flat. Now it's time to look at the master bedroom. But before that, let's understand what Housey does for us. At Housey, we give you sample flat tour, we give you actual location tour, we give you the pros and cons why you should invest in this project, and we give you 360-degree virtual project overview. It's a tour actually, and most importantly, we give you the pricing details such as EMI as well as down payment. So let's look at the master bedroom. But before that, you can see on the right side there's a huge wash basin and a mirror, and also here you have some storage space. Now let's head to the master bedroom. Wow, this is the master bedroom. It's very huge and spacious. So I really like this combination, white and light green. And on both the side of the bed we have some space where you can place a table, and yes, this is the window for your ventilation, and we have a huge wardrobe over here. And on the left side, yeah, we have a huge mirror for the dressing purpose. It's like your dressing area. Now it's time to look at the bathroom in this master bedroom. So yes, this is the bathroom with anti-skid tiles and the high-end sanitary equipment. So this bathroom comes with a window for ventilation, and again we have wash basin, mirror and a storage space. So yes, this was all about the master bedroom in this 3 BHK flat. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any positive or negative feedback about this project, do mention it in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and comment, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to Aussie to know such more videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Heritage Park located in Begur by Suraksha Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.